Every college student is looking for recipes that are easy to cook. I am a typical college student on a budget. I have been a college student for 5 years, and I am going to be providing easy hacks to enhance college students' cooking skills. I am going to include 3 gadgets that college students must get: an omelette maker, a waffle maker that turns into a grill, and a smoothie blender. You can find the ingredients at your cafeteria if you have a meal plan. I will be showing the first kitchen gadget, which is an omelette maker that any student can use to make a healthy breakfast. You will need to purchase the eggs at your local store. The other ingredients can be found at your university's cafeteria, including cheese, butter, ham, onions, tomatoes, and milk. First, spread butter all over the omelette maker's inside, top and bottom. This will help the omelette to not stick. Plug the omelette maker in and allow it to preheat while you get the ingredients ready. You can now dice the ham, cheese, and tomatoes with a knife. It helps if you have a cutting board. Pour the eggs into each side of the omelette maker until it is almost full. Next, put all of your other ingredients in. Close the lid and wait 10 minutes. It is ready. Unplug the omelette maker and carefully transfer the omelette to a plate. You can now enjoy a healthy, fresh breakfast. Next, I am going to share how to make a quesadilla with low-carb tortillas. You can get the ingredients for the insides of the quesadillas at your university's cafeteria, including cheese, ham, turkey, and more. However, you have to go to your local grocery store to get low-carb tortillas. Now that you have all of your ingredients, you can start building your quesadilla while you are heating up your waffle maker. With this specific waffle maker, you can flip over the waffle maker to convert it to be a sandwich grill. You simply put the quesadilla on the sandwich grill and close it. Now you have a low-carb, cheesy, delicious meal you can happily enjoy. The next kitchen gadget I am going to show you is a blender that you can make delicious smoothies with. All you need to get from your local grocery store is protein powder. You can get the other ingredients from the cafeteria, including a whole banana, peanut butter, spinach, and milk. Now that you have everything, set all your ingredients on the table. The next step is to pour the milk in first while adding protein powder. You can then add the banana slices, peanut butter, and spinach. Now you are ready to start to blend your smoothie. Let it blend until it is thin. You now have a delicious, healthy snack to energize you to do your homework. As a college student on a budget, you can still make delicious, healthy recipes with the help of these kitchen gadgets while using your meal plan to get the ingredients. Remember, you cannot do well in school if you don't fuel yourself.